Welcome to Cleaning Company Blueprint. Over the last 10 years, we've helped thousands of people start their own cleaning companies. We're currently hosting a 21-day program on Zoom, and we're posting the recordings here live on YouTube. So if you want to follow along, subscribe and like the video.
Today, we are covering setting up email. So yesterday we did how to set up your phone line for your business using OpenPhone, which is the easiest one to use and the cheapest. And Kevin got us a discount for the group as well. So take a look at that. And then Kevin is going to go over how to set up your email.
So for emails, we've been using G Suite and Google for like over a decade. It's really, really good. And almost everybody knows how to use Gmail. So what G Suite allows you to do, if you're not familiar with it, is use your domain name as your actual email. So you can set it up as hello@awesomemaids.com or whatever your domain is. And there's also a bunch of other products in here that just make it really kind of worth the price. So what the price is $6 a month per user. So per user, it's a little complicated, but basically you only need one user, but you can also create email aliases. So what that is basically different email addresses, but it just goes into the same email inbox. If you want to have different inboxes, then those are going to be different users. But typically, I mean, you don't have to worry about that. But yeah, you can create different aliases and stuff. So when it comes to setting up G Suite, it's a little difficult. We've been running into, just in the past, how difficult it is. People can get stuck basically changing their MX records, which is records in your domain name. So we'll handle all of that for you. The only thing that you have to do is basically just go here, click on Get Started. Sometimes I've noticed what Google will do is actually default you into the $12 pricing plan, even if you're clicking here. So after you sign up, check what your pricing plan is in Google, and you can actually change it to the business starter because you really don't need this at all, and it's $6. So yeah, so all you have to do is basically click on Get Started, go through the sign up process. It's just you. It's going to ask you for your domain name. So let me just see if it's, let's say, Awesome Maids. Just your region, and then just go through this first name, last name, your current email address. It's going to ask you for your domain name, and then it's going to ask you to enter in your credit card information, and also it's going to ask you for your first what email address you want to use. So I like to use hello. You could put hi, support, whatever you want to do. That's going to be your main admin account. For your one user, that's going to be your user account. So use something kind of generic. I like to use hello. I use that for pretty much everything. And then it's also going to ask for a password. So you're going to be sharing this with the Convert Labs tech team. So make it a generic password that you don't use for anything else. What you're going to do after that is basically send us your email that you created in here and your temporary password. We're going to connect your domain with G Suite so that it'll be fully functional. And then after we do that, then you can change your password so that it's secure. And obviously, we don't want access to it. So that's basically G Suite. The email that you're going to share with us is the same email. It's hello@ConvertLabs. So hello@convertlabs.io. You'll get to a point here during the sign up process where it basically asks you to verify your domain. You can stop there and then just send us those logins, and then we'll verify your domain, edit your MX records so that it works with Google, and you'll have your email account. And you could basically just use it as Gmail. It's the same Gmail inbox, but it's just using your domain name. So that's basically it. If you have any questions, let us know. Reach out via email. And yeah. And then also turnaround time should be within 24 hours. So we'll get it done pretty quickly.
Kevin, can you post the link in chat? I know the link sometimes it goes different spots. It's kind of weird.
Oh, for G Suite?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's literally just gsuite.com or admin.google.
It tries to force you into the expensive one sometimes.
Yeah, so before what I noticed was you'd be able to select the $6 plan, and that's the plan that you got, but it will default you to the $12 plan. So after you sign up, in the billing section, you can find it where you can downgrade it. So Google makes it a little tricky, but there you go.
That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Click like, subscribe, leave a comment or a question below. And most importantly, go to cleaningcompanyblueprint.com if you're ready to join us in starting your own cleaning company.